If you want to install WhatsApp on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, you need to go to the Play Store. Sometimes you can find WhatsApp over here on this page of apps, like for example I can find it over here, so I can just tap on it and find the install button. But in your case, if you don't have, or if you don't see the WhatsApp app in here, you can use search button at the bottom of the screen. Then we can use the search field at the top. We can type WhatsApp and you should be able to use the suggestions in order to quickly find the app. So once you find the WhatsApp Messenger app, you can use this install button on the right side, or you can tap on the app name in order to press the install button in here. Once the app is installed, you should be able to easily open it from the Play Store. You will find the open button in this area. So let's wait for the installation to be done. And there we go, so you can open it from here. Most of the time you can also find it on the home screen. And definitely you should be able to find it in the app drawer. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.